Dear brothers and sisters, both the readings of today speak about faith. In the first reading, we heard about the faith of Abraham being tested. In the gospel passage, we heard about the faith of the disciples are tested. In the first case, we find Abraham's faith stands firm. No wonder he is called the father of faith. And we are given three instances where his faith stood firm. The first is in his old age, he was told his wife will bear a son. A shocking news for him, almost to the point of the grave, and yet he believes. The second instance is when he has Isaac, the only son born, and the child is growing up. And Yahweh tells him, go and sacrifice your son. In the Old Testament, you know that sacrifices were common. It was tradition, not among Jews only, but others too, to sacrifice. And again here, Abraham's faith stood firm. When Isaac asked him on the way to the hill where going to offer sacrifice, where is the animal? And he said, God will provide. The third instance is, we are told, is about Abraham, Isaac, and other son, who are comfortably relaxing and living a comfortable life. And he's told, take your sons and move to an unknown destination. And he got up and moved away. I'm sure sometimes it happens also to you all, to our families, especially when our children go to study abroad, when there's nobody know whom they know. I know one family whose son went to study abroad to Australia without knowing anybody there, except so-called university through correspondence. Or their own daughter went to UK to study without knowing anybody, having no relations there. And when I asked her, what about the safety? They said, God will take care. The other instance given to us in the gospel is the faith of the disciples. Their faith is tested and it is badly shaken up. Knowing well that the master is with them in the boat. And yet they don't believe that their master who had performed so many miracles will provide them with care. Faith is just believing when things go well with us. You all know our life's boat is tossed too often in various circumstances. When someone of our own person, maybe the only child whom God gave from long, many years, well, is the point of that we ask, God, where are you? When we find our families having difficulties, especially bringing up children, today children are different. You tell them with love, they don't change. You tell them with anger, they don't change. Then what do? Offer them to God. God will take care. So our faith will remain firm. We believe that along with us, Jesus journeys. And when a boat is tossed up and down, he also is tossed. But he remains firm. We too need to remain firm when we encounter difficult situations in life. We place ourselves in this month, God's hand, our life, our families, our children, our business, in God's hand. We say, Lord, you take care. We know you are with us all the time. When things not go well, we know you take care in the due time.